We've come to a steampunk event. Seen this beautiful old traction engine. It's called Jenny. You see some amazing costumes.
There are. Some fantastic pieces, aren't there?
There are some very clever lamps that have been made, aren't there? From old stuff. Yeah, saying about some really good costumes.
Yeah. What? You're laughing at? Yeah. Oh God, I think I'm getting video now.
just for a minute.
Just for a minute. Hang on, then. How's that?
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
No problem, sir. Right.
And we're saying about some really great costumes, and here are four. Where have you come from?
From Norwich.
Norwich.
Wow.
Oh, quite a way then.
Yesterday morning we came up.
Right.
Yeah, so did we.
Seven,
We're
yeah.
part of the same Norfolk Steampunk group.
Oh, right, brilliant, yeah. So you get all around the country then?
Yeah, when we can.
Yeah. Petrol and fuel allowing.
Yes, yeah. our main trip is Lincoln, the Asylum.
That's supposed to be one of the better ones, isn't it?
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's a full 5-day event, and there's like 40,000 plus people from all over the world come there, and it is fantastic.
The biggest in the world. And it's always a bank holiday.
August bank holiday. Oh, right. We might see you there then.
Yeah, absolutely amazing.
Friday through to Monday.
Brilliant. Oh, lovely.
Well, Friday's the quiet
Some of us
day.
turn up Thursday and we sort of wander around.
Friday's
Little
sort of
part.
the setting up day, isn't it?
Yeah.
The markets are on Saturday, Sunday. And there's
And
a
the big
massive
parade on the Monday.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh,
yeah.
we'll go to that then.
Yes, it is. It is awesome, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay.
You won't miss us because we're all usually in yellow and black.
Right, yeah.
Right, okay.
Norfolk
The Norfolk colours, yeah.
Yeah, very good. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
So these are the old furnaces, boilers.
Yeah. Don't touch you like. That's hot work, isn't it?
It is. Moving up the steam pressure to the pumping station.
I wanted you. First time anyone said that to him, is it? Give us a smile. Thank you.
That's all right, mate.
You'd want that warning, wouldn't you, before you fired it up?
You would.
That man working in boilers.
Yes. So we've got a model railway as well, and lots of bits to look at.
Thank you. Could you hold your glasses up slightly as well? Thank you very much.
These are the old Limby mine pumping station. The Limby Colliery winding house. This is the old winding house of the colliery. And you see how much rope's been or cable's been fed out.
The company made it in Lincoln.
Roby and Company Limited. All operated by there.
That's what I was doing. Okay.
And down at the bottom.
Do you want them now or? No, keep them safe. Yeah. Yeah. All right then, Jeff. Okay.
We're heading.
Are we all now? We are members of the Steampunk
We're heading to the
Club.
tea dueling contest.
Have anyone that has been a member or is a member of the Steampunk Adventures Club? Hands, yeah.
I see a few familiar
Few people. Well, for those people that haven't been initiated.
So we're talking to this lovely couple. Sorry, I've already forgotten your names. And you. You've come all the way from Wales.
We have, South West Wales.
And you're just letting us into some trade secrets about the tea dueling. So
yeah.
let me get close to the microphone, pick you up.
So, the tea dueling, special tips. If the water's just been changed and it's very hot, not a good thing. You want the water as cool as possible so that your biscuit doesn't melt too fast. After you dipped it, don't hold it this way because gravity will make it fall. Tip it up that way. And ginger nuts. They're much stronger than something like a malted milk.
Right.
So, yeah.
So that's your weapon of choice,
That is a ginger nut. Always my weapon of choice.
And do you get a choice?
Not always. Some events you got a choice, but quite often sometimes they just have a plate and you choose, but other times you're just presented with a biscuit.
Right, okay.
So the parasol dueling is brilliant as well.
I've not heard of that one.
So everyone has the parasols.
Right.
And it's a bit like rock, paper, scissors, but with parasols.
Right.
So depending on whether you put the parasol out or got it in, beats the other person.
Brilliant.
Teapot racing.
Oh, the teapot racing, have you seen that?
No,
So
it's all new to us.
it's motorised, basically cars that
These are
remote
RC cars.
controls cars.
Right.
And then they attach teapots to the top of them and they have an assault course and they run it through the
brilliant.
assault course. And that's really good at Port Merion. You know the chessboard where they they have every year they have a teapot race.
Hello there.
On the chessboard.
Oh, brilliant. So how did you get involved?
Well, we went to some friends had a Halloween party and it was fancy dress and the theme was steampunk. We hadn't got anything, so we just bought a couple of cheeky outfits, you know, like you do. Went along and we thought, actually, this is really good fun. Are there any actual events on? And we started looking them up and we went to a place called Bliss Hill, which was just brilliant. And we've been to the Black Country Living Museum and seen the group of steampunks dressed up there and they looked incredible. And then we just started looking them up and going to various events. And like I say, the one in Port Merion every bank holiday weekend is fantastic.
Right.
And next year, I think it's 60 years since they filmed the prison.
It must be getting away because I was little. Yeah, so
it's going to be a big one.
Right. So,
Bank holiday weekend.
and apparently Lincoln's a big one.
Oh, the asylum in Lincoln is incredible. After Glastonbury, it's the second biggest festival in Europe.
Wow. Right.
Yeah, 30,000 people over the weekend, 4 days go there. And it is just stunning. The whole weekend.
And the Peacock's Parade had 1,100 people.
Wow.
Right round the town.
Right. Okay. So you're going to that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we might see you there. If we're not away, we might see you there.
Oh,
So,
yeah. Good.
Brilliant.
Nice
Thank
to
you,
meet
Andrew.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you
you.
very much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Next
Thank
time
you.
we want to
Thank
see
you.
you dressed up.
I don't think we're that brave.
Oh,
To get him to wear that T-shirt today was something.
it's nice, I like it. It's
Thank you.
very nice. But all you want really is a top hat and a waistcoat.
Well, yeah.
Away,
Yeah, that's true.
you know? And then it starts like that and then it rolls.
Thank you. Look after yourselves. Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.
Cheers. Take care.
It looks like we have the crowds, we have the sunshine, we have the tea, and we have the contestants. All we need now is Steampunk Shenanigans to join me out here. Can we please put our hands together for Steampunk Shenanigans? shall we have a tea duel?
Okay, so welcome everybody to the 10th annual Papplewick Steampunk weekend, and also for the Sunday tea dueling contest. Right, competitors, choose your weapons. A lot of thought going into this one, obviously. Right, prepare to dunk. So, dunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw. Okay. Now it's Sue can hold the nerve.
We have Paul Eccentric here, our reigning champion. Concentration on his face. But the young challenger has stepped in. He has joined the dark side, but he is not going to let that biscuit go.
Concentration and the silence.
I notice we have two different techniques. Oh!
And so it's a young man. See, there is an advantage to joining the dark side. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. So, we now have our next two competitors. So, okay, do you want to one last round to see what they're playing for the final? Because this is the final. And now, and you know it's Colburn and Adam. So, if you want to cheer on your winner while it's going on, please do. We would appreciate it. Right, so we've got the trophy. Ready? So, prepare to dunk. And dunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And here we are, both cleanly removed from the cups as we move into the final stages of what has been a truly gripping tea dueling tournament this afternoon.
I've never seen one quite like this.
I've never seen one like this before. But already I can see, I think, a slight bend on one of the two biscuits, but it has actually been re-straightened. That is a certain amount of skill to save a bending biscuit at this stage in the competition.
Both competitors are determined.
Now we've gone for two slightly different approaches. Adam is going for the side on so we can see straight down it. Corbin has got a bit of a wobble going on there though, but so has Adam. There are one with two distinct wobbles. Oh!
Can I have a big round of my lovely assistant to now present the trophy for the 10th anniversary Sunday Steampunk Festival Tea Dueling Champion.
Polished brass and weathered leather, stitched together, light as feathers. Pocket watches mark the time, ticking to a rhythm all their own. Copper gears and silver chains, every detail proudly made. Stories worn instead of told, bringing yesterday to life. Turn the cogs and light the fire. Steam and steel will lift us higher. Goggles shining, top hats tall, a world where dreamers build it all. Clockwork beating, engines gleam, living out a Victorian dream. Every outfit bold and bright, steampunk comes alive tonight. Corset, space coats, velvet coats, mechanical hearts beneath them both. Walking canes and polished boots, every soul has found its roots. Feathers dancing in the breeze, airship sailing through the dreams. Every cog and every screw, built by hands that all stay true. Not the past